Hi there, it's me, Christopher Sabeti. I always get a lot of questions about Excel and Power BI. How do you create impressive reports? Here is the answer. Dealing with data and reporting is still a problem? No. At Sabtech Online, we deal with data analysis. We invite you to subscribe to our channel. We always host classes on Zoom and Teams. Please subscribe to those two. Most people ask themselves, why is Power BI and Excel still a problem to ask about? Do you ask yourself that such a question? Most people make a biggest mistake when analyzing data, thinking that there is anything hard. No, that's just your mindset. How to overcome that? Get a specific benefit without paying. Subscribe for our online classes on Zoom and Teams. Check on our YouTube channel, that is Sabtech Online. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that red button, hit the notification bell such that you can get all the notifications the moment we post the new videos. Bye bye.